Great. So till now we have seen so many things. Okay, variable, print, for operators. Okay, today we will see what loops. Okay, today we will see loops. Okay, so what is loops and what is the use of loops? We will see. So what do you understand by loops? Okay, so if I say something is starting here and this is a loop, right? This is a loop. We are repeating again and again. Correct? This is a loop. So there are two types of loops. Okay, first is for loop. Okay. We will see. Okay, what is this for loop, and second is while loop. Okay, while loop. We will see what these two things are. Okay, so before telling you about loops, just tell me if I have to print hello world. Okay, 10 times. Okay, 10 times hello world. So what will be the what will be the command? Okay, what will be the code if I want to type hello world 10 times? Hello world 10 times. I can do like this. Print. First tell me, am I audible now clearly? Guys, just write in chat. So sorry guys, actually yesterday I take a vaccine and कल रात बहुत ज्यादा फीवर था मुझे and अभी भी फीवर है. Thanks to आनंद, उसने मेरे को भी medicines दिए तो थोड़ा सा ठीक है. So print hello world. Okay. And then I can repeat it how much time? 10 times. Correct? Suppose I have to print something for 1,000 times. Okay. Then I have to write it for 1,000 times. Correct? Hello world. Okay. For thousands time. Okay. Correct. So this is not a good approach. We are a programmer and we want to solve problems, not creating problems. Right? How can we solve this? Like for now we are saying like we can do this. This is a like simple and noob things. We are printing something, okay, like thousands times. So it will not, a good practice. Okay. So how can we do that? Okay. Let's see. So there is a syntax for loop. Okay. Syntax. Okay. We can write for, okay, and something called 10,000 times. Okay. 1,000 times print hello world. Hello world. Okay. So just like in if else, if this condition is true, okay, I will go to that. So like I can show you the like how this thing works, but before that I have to teach you something, range. Okay, range. Okay, so there are three types of writing range. First is giving a starting index. Okay, starting index, starting number. Okay, and then ending number. Okay, ending number. Okay, and second thing, what can we do? We can only pass ending number. Okay, we will see how this is work. Okay, and third, we can do what? Starting number, starting number, ending number, and a jump. Okay, don't worry, we will see that. Okay, one by one. Okay, just be with me. I will tell you everything. Okay, good. So yeah, before going to tell that, like some people are like doing so good. Okay, like कल परसों मेरे पास कॉल आया था किसी स्टूडेंट का हमारे ग्रुप में, तो वो बोल रहा था कि यार बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट हो गए हैं, ठीक है, और टीचरों से जानबूझ के पूछते हैं कि यार मैम इनपुट कैसे ले, ठीक है. So like this thing, good, yeah, you know, that's good, you are learning something. Okay, okay, let's open now. Where is our file? Especially BTech people, Python has started, na? In your, how much topic has been covered in your BTech classes, Python? Where is, yeah, developers. Which topic is going on in your class? Give me a second, guys. Okay, so tell me now how much topic has been covered in your BTech. There are some BTech students also, na? How much topic have been covered in your Python classes? In, you know, that class is taking from the college authority. So it is day 5, I guess. New folder. Okay. So day 4. Let's do this. Hello world कराया अभी तक. Okay. Great. Let's open this. Because see, you learn coding from coding. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's jump into it. Save all. What's happening? Open folder. Development, developers. Save. Overwrite. It's not opening here. What's wrong with it? Developers. Okay, let's single folder. Done. Great. File. Let's create some for loop. Okay. For loop dot py. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I know, like I expected, because morning classes है ना, तो ज्यादा बच्चे नहीं ले पाएंगे. I know, but yes, ये evening को भी बहुत बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम था. I guess मॉर्निंग को नहीं होना चाहिए इतना, बट क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में तो यूजुअली सब फ्री रहते हैं, ठीक है, बट वही आलस होता है एक चीज, ठीक है. इवन आई वाज आल्सो सिक, बट ठीक है, फिर भी मैं ले रहा हूँ क्लासेस, ठीक है. एंड इवन क्या ना, यार सी, रियली सॉरी, एक्चुअली मेरा इवनिंग में भी क्लासेस है, ठीक है. तो मैं इसलिए इवनिंग का जो है नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है, so that's why, okay, चलो let's see, if that much is clear. Wait. Give me a second, guys. See, you guys have permission to unmute, okay? Whenever you have doubt, you can unmute yourself, okay? If you want anything to ask, okay, just unmute, okay? Let's see. Okay, great. So, we are talking about range, okay? We want some range, okay? And we can do like this. If I do a range, okay, 1 to 5, correct? If I do like this range 1 to 5, what it will happen? And I will do, let's write this up properly. Wait. I in range 1 to 5, okay? Print what? I, okay? Print I. What it will be print? It will always remember, guys, it will include first digit and exclude last digit. What does this mean? It will print 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay. It will never include the last number. Okay. If I like write this, I in range, okay, 2 to 9. Okay. Print I. So it will print 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It will not print last digit. It will always exclude last digit. Okay. If I want to print till 9, we have to give it 10. Okay. Then it will print 9. Correct. So tell me in chat. Okay. I'm just asking something. Just tell me in chat. If we have something, I, okay, I in range, okay, was 5, okay, to 11, okay, print I. What will be the I value? Just write in chat, okay. Hmm. Correct. Okay. So you guys are yeah, giving correct answers. Yeah. All of you are correct. Great. So if I one more thing, there is something mm, not equal to, yes, but we want to print in a loop. Okay, again and again and again. वो फिर एक बार print होगा. Okay, ठीक है. We will see that. Okay, like how for loop is working. Suppose like in if else word, if you have some condition, right? Condition, and then the the code, okay, code to execute. Okay, अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू हुआ तो ये कोड जो एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ठीक है, बट ये एक ही बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ठीक है, ये बार बार एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. बट इसमें हमारे में क्या है, जैसे हमारे पास कोई लूप है, ठीक है, लूप से पहले कंडीशन, सो कंडीशन है ठीक, लूप का है ठीक, एंड उसमें हमने करा है कुछ कोड टू एग्जीक्यूट, एग्जीक्यूट जितनी बार वो कंडीशन जो वो बार बार एग्जीक्यूट करता रहेगा ठीक है। इसमें एक बार करेगा ठीक है, इसमें चेक करा हाँ ये ठीक है चलो ठीक है, बट इसमें जो है बार बार एक लूप में करता रहेगा ठीक है, जब तक वो कंडीशन फॉल्स नहीं होगा ठीक है। आई गेस दैट मच इज क्लियर ओके। सो लेट्स सी ओके, so I have taught you the second thing is for only ending okay, range only ending okay, I in range okay, suppose I give 10 okay, and I do print I okay, so what will happen, it will start from 0 okay, if we don't pass any starting point now it will start from 0 okay, always remember if I am not passing any starting point, starting range, it will always start from 0 okay. So it will print 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 and 9. You guys know why 9 only, right? Because it will also exclude the last index okay. Now you just have to tell me if I pass like this for I okay, so for I in range okay, okay, and I'm giving what I'm giving okay, 6 okay, and then I'm just closing it okay, that's it okay, print I okay, tell me the output okay, right in chat, correct Hmm. Okay, so most of you are correct okay, always remember it exclude it exclude last number okay, last number okay. So I guess these two types of range is clear. Anyone have any problem in this? Sure. Let's jump to this third type okay, we have seen starting range okay, starting number, I'm giving starting number, ending number, and a jump okay. Let's say this, if I do like this 2 okay, I in range okay, mm, yeah, I in range 2 to 10 okay, okay, let's me give 2 to 10, and then I'm passing something called 3 okay. What does this mean, it will take jump of 3 okay, let's see, and it will stop after getting starting, this is ending okay. So first is 2 correct, then 3 jump okay, then 5 okay, then 3 jump, it will 8 correct, and now it will stop because the next number will be 11 okay, and 11 is not should not include, it should be include up to 10 means it should at last it can include 9. Okay, but we are taking jump of 3. Okay, so now you guys have to tell me if I in range I'm taking something 2 to 10 in jump of 2. Okay, let me take to 12. Okay, 12. Okay, print I. What will be the output, guys, if I do like this? Handwriting is so bad. Sorry for that, guys. Well, let's see. Hmm. Okay, great. So the output will be, see, so first number will be 2, correct? Second number will be what? Plus 2, which is 4. Then plus 2, which is 6. 6. And then plus 2, which is 8. And then plus 2, right? Because our last number is what? 12. Okay. So now 10. And now we have 12. Should we include 12? No, right? We will not include 12. We will include up to 10. Okay. So this is starting and ending. Okay. These are 3 types of ranges. Okay. Okay. So one more. Suppose I have something like that in range. No one asked this, but let me tell you. 2. Okay. 10 to minus 2. Okay. You can give it this like also. It is a reverse jump. Okay. If you pass, it is what? A reverse jump. Let's see. The first number will be what? It will be 10. Yeah. 10. Then 8. Correct. And then 6. And then 5. And then 4. And then what? 3 will be not. Okay. Sorry. 5 will be not included. Okay. Okay. So 10, 8, 6, 4, and then 2. 2 will we will not include 2, correct? So there is something. If I do like this, hmm, I in range, I in range, okay, and I will pass, okay, 1 to minus 10, okay. Let me give it like this. Wait, if I let me think a difficult one, okay. So if I do 1, okay, 5, and then minus 1, just tell me what will be the output. Okay, it's 1, okay. 1. Just no, no, no. Let me tell you, because this is a course difficult. Okay, let me help you. So first it will be what? Print 1. Okay, then it will be print what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is now uh, -1, and then -2, then -4. Will this ever stop? Because our ending range is 5 and it can never reach to 5. So it will in infinity loop. Okay, that's what we call infinity loop. Okay, it can never reach to 5, right? Because we are jumping backward and our range is 5, right? So it will never reach to that ending condition. It will never end. Okay, is this clear, guys? Why this is happening? Any doubt in it? Just write in chat if you have any doubt. Okay. So I will like no one is asking, so I will assume that everything is clear. Okay. Great. Okay. So we know ranges. Okay. We know range. Let's try this. Okay. Someone asked between 1 to 0. Uh, yeah, like you can print this. No, zero. Yeah, zero. Yeah, zero भी आएगा. Yeah, correct. Zero भी आएगा. Zero भी आएगा. Zero भी आएगा. We will see that. Okay. So let me write 4. Like print. Okay. Okay, just ignore this list command. Okay, we will talk about later. What this is saying. There is separate okay how like list will work. Okay, don't worry. Let's see list for I in range. Okay. For I in range what 1 to 9. Okay, suppose we are passing for I in range 1 to 9. Okay, and I have to give semicolon and then print what I. Okay, let's see if I do like this. See, it is only giving up to I. Okay, this is what our comment. Let me comment it out. Starting and ending index. Okay, starting and ending number. We are passing to two number. Okay, I is just a variable. Okay, I is just a variable which will print something, right? We need something variable now to print because we are storing this I and we are trying to print it here. Okay, so that's why I'm just using I. You can use J, K, whatever. Okay, any variable. We have learned something what for I in range. Okay, what 9. Okay, suppose 9. Okay, 4. Okay, small number. Okay. And I'm printing what I. Okay, so now see it is giving me 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, not 4. Right, this is what our only starting index. Okay, sorry, only ending. Okay, only ending. Starting will automatically 0, right? Starts with 0. I can say that always it starts from 0. See? And now let's come to the question I have asked. Okay. Okay. So what it was 1, 5 and -1. Okay, before that, let's see one simple jump program. Okay, for I in range. Okay, range what? 2 to 12. Okay, in jump of 2. Okay, let's see. So it print it up to. Let me zoom out, zoom in it. Okay, so it is printing from 2. It's printing from 2. Okay, let me comment it out. Okay, so that it will clear more enough. Okay, let's run this now. See, it is giving me 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, let's see for I in range. Okay, what was that range was 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5, the range of -1. Okay, let's see what's happening after. Let's take it J. Okay, so that it will be not confusion. I'm taking J. You can take like any variable. Okay, let's comment it out. Let's see what's happening. What is happening? It's not running. Yes, let me run it again. Oh, not running. Why? It should. Maybe there is some issue. Why it's not running, man? 1 more 5. It should run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. And 1, 2, 3, right? This one. It's not running. Maybe there is some issue in our VS Code. Okay. 1, 10 -1. Okay. If I do like this, it should print 1 to 9. What's wrong here? It's not printing anything. I don't know why it's not printing. See, it should print. Let's make it 10 to 1. Okay. Let's see. It's printing now. And now if I do, why infinity loop is not printing? Because I guess there's some error, na? That's why it's not printing. Sure, going fine. We know that. Okay, just trust me. Okay. So we have covered till now this much. Okay, great. So we know starting and ending range. Okay. So till now, is there any doubt this is working? If yes, just ask me now. Okay. Then we will continue. Okay. Sure. So if I want something, okay, just let me. We have written a odd number and even number program. Okay, let's do this. If I do like this, okay, first what we have to take user input. First we will take input. Okay, I'm just I have to give some variable name input equal to what we want to take integer for checking if it is even and odd. Okay, we want to print all even number. Okay, int what user number input. Okay, this is the command, correct? Okay, and then just for I in range. Okay, range what? 0. Okay, to what? User input. Okay, I can do like this, and this jump of 2. Okay, it will, what it will print, it will print up to that number. Okay, print I. Okay, let's run this and then what's happened? Int argument is not what? Okay, my bad. I forgot to use this. Okay, it's asking me for some number. Let me give 10. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? See what's happening. Let me copy this code. Okay, then we will see what's happening. Okay, so me increase the font. Clearly visible to you all, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Yeah, okay. So first we are taking input. Okay, I can, it's a variable. Okay, always remember, don't write like me. You can take anything. Okay, I'm just using this for my confirmation that it's an input so that you can understand. Okay, I can take any variable name. I prefer user input. Okay, that's the best. You can also get like, I'm getting input, and we are taking input as integer. Okay, we are asking some like we are taking input here. Okay, like give us some integer. Okay, suppose I give 4. Okay, suppose I give 4. 4 I in range. Okay, 0. Okay, 0 to what? User input. User input is what? 4. So what will be the range? 0 to 4. Okay, in the jump of what? 2. So it will print 0. Okay, and then 2. Correct. 4 will be not include. You guys also know, right? So I can do also, suppose I am asking about only what? Suppose the user gives me something called 10. Okay, but I want to print it one time more. Okay, I want to include, it will print what? Up to 8. Correct, it will be print up to 8. Suppose I want to print it up to 10. Okay, what can I do? I can include this 0 user input. Okay, user, sorry, user input plus 2. Can I do this? And jump of 2, right? It will be but 10 plus 2 in the jump of 2